The atmosphere is so vibrant.
Yeah, happy, excited.
It's very similar to the Olympics.
This is the Jianyang Cultural and Sports Center Natatorium, a venue for the Universiad currently underway in China's Chengdu. The finals of a diving competition have just concluded here.
The atmosphere is so vibrant. I love how many people come to watch. That's also the emphasis too. I definitely want to go more downtown and into the city and just to see the people there and what people do on a regular basis. It's so lush, so green, really gorgeous, and everyone is so nice. In the athlete village, there's a cultural performance almost every night, and I watched them dance, and it was amazing. Everyone was so elegant, and their costumes were beautiful, and the dancing was just superb. I've never seen anything like it. It was really good. Being in China is actually so amazing. It's just unlike any other international competition I've been to, and so it's been great.
Yeah, happy, excited. Beautiful. I love the photos. I'm very happy here.
We have a good time diving together, and we just like what we're doing. It's a lot of different experience than what we get back in the US, but it was a lot of fun.
The energy is crazy. So many fans. It's nice to have fans watching us. I mean, it's really special. There's nothing else like this. I mean, it's very similar to the Olympics, so getting this kind of experience is really important, especially at such a young age. It's really special.